Learn to read with ABC ETC, Learning Made Easy. CVC Words. In this module, you will use the alphabet arc to recite the letters sequence, names, and the sound of the alphabet. Revise the vowel letter sounds. Revise the short vowels sounds. Revise the long vowels sounds. Learn to blend sounds to make CVC words. The alphabet arc. Let's form an alphabet arc using the lowercase letters. Place A at the beginning. A, A. Place Z at the end. Z, Z. Place letters M and N at the middle. M, N, N. Now arrange the rest of the alphabet letters in an arc shape and call out the letters B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, S, T, T, U, H, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Vowels have two sounds each, but do not sound the same. One is short and the other one says its name. Short vowels sound A, E, I, E, O, U, H. Long vowel says its name. A, E, I, O, U, A. Apron. A, ant. E, eagle. E, egg. I, iron. I, E, ink. O, ocean. O, orange. U, uniform. U, umbrella. Y makes three sounds. At the start of words, Y makes a consonant sound. Yeah. Yam. At the end of short words, Y sounds I. Fly. At the end of long words, Y sounds E. Baby. Now that we know our letters and the sounds they make, we are ready to decode words. Short E sound. Bed. N. Net. peg, web, long
E,
sound,
E,
D, T. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will use the alphabet arc to recite the letters sequence, names, and the sound of the alphabet. Revise the vowel letter sounds. Revise the short vowels sounds. Revise the long vowels sounds. Learn to blend sounds to make CVC words. Learn to read with ABC etc. Learning made easy.